It's a brand new year, a brand new day, and a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. I'd like to wish all our viewers a very happy and prosperous new year. On the show today, we bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media, and entertainment. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as headlines come your way. Shah Rukh Khan confirms his return to the big screens in 2021. Deepika Padukone shares glimpses from her Ranthambore trip. Arjun Kapoor can't hide his happiness as Malaika Arora cooks for him. Were Katrina and Vicky Kaushal holidaying together to bring in the new year? Urmila responds to Kangana's accusations, triggering another war of words.
Just wishing you all lots of love. See you all on the big screen in 2021. Lots of love.
Shah Rukh Khan has wished his fans and followers a very happy new year, but अपने अनोखे witty अंदाज में, while promising to be back on screen in 2021. Shah Rukh is known for his fabulous sense of humor and his ability to make fun of himself. Shah Rukh Khan has been away from the big screen for 2 years now. But it looks like 2021 में उनके fans का इंतजार finally खत्म होगा क्योंकि SRK is all set to make his comeback with Pathaan. In fact, if grapevine is to be believed, Shah Rukh has already started filming for the movie which is being produced by Yash Raj Films. The Badshah will also reportedly be making a cameo appearance in Salman Khan's Tiger 3 as Pathaan as a part of Aditya Chopra's plan to build a Yash Raj spy universe. But filhal, Shah Rukh Khan seems to be relaxing at home in comfy clothes and making videos all by himself. Check it out. The actor, who is well known for his jokes, especially at award shows, has shared a 3-minute-long video on his social media handles to wish his fans and followers a very happy new year.
2020, whatever it has been, is in the past now. And I believe 2021 is going to be bigger, better, brighter, and more beautiful for all of us, inshallah.
The video sees Shah Rukh sitting all by himself in front of a camera, wearing a blue night suit जिस पे पायरेट इंस्पायर्ड प्रिंट है. शाहरुख अपने बालों को चेक करते हैं और फिर मस्कीटोज और फ्लाइज को भगाने के बाद अपना वीडियो शुरू करते हैं.
Hi everybody, it is that time of the year again.
The बादशाह क्लेम्स कि उनके स्टाफ में से उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं था, इसलिए उन्हें ये वीडियो अकेले बनाना पड़ा. He starts off by talking about the fact that 2020 was a difficult year for everyone. Lekin when things can't get any worse, they can only get better. Sharing how he deals with hard times, SRK says,
I believe when one is at the lowest, at the most bottomest of their life, the good thing is that from here on there's only one way to move, that is upwards, higher, to better places. So 2020, whatever it has been, is in the past now. And I believe 2021 is going to be bigger, better, brighter, and more beautiful for all of us, inshallah.
The superstar also reveals कि 2020 से अगर उन्होंने कुछ सीखा है तो वो ये है कि असली मजा अपनों के साथ है, अपने फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स और लव्ड वंस की कंपनी में. Wishing his fans happiness, joy and peace, अपने sense of humor का एक और एग्जाम्पल देते हुए SRK ने अपने चाहने वालों से रिक्वेस्ट किया कि वो उन्हें लंबे लंबे ग्रीटिंग ना भेजे क्योंकि at the end of the day they all mean the same thing. So just a simple Happy New Year will be enough. Before signing off, Shah Rukh added a last dose of humor.
Wish you a Happy New Year message, please. This year be romantic, be emphatic, be pragmatic, be democratic. Be absolutely fantastic. Just don't be mathematic. It's very boring.
But looks like SRK saved the best news for the last when he revealed that he will be back on the big screen in 2021.
See you all on the big screen in 2021. Lots of love.
Well, with you being back on screen, हमारा New Year तो already good हो गया SRK. We can't wait to hear the formal announcement of Pathaan. ब्रेकिंग न्यूज। रणबीर आलिया एंड रणवीर दीपिका ने एक साथ हॉलिडे प्लान नहीं किया था। The couples ending up at the same location was a mere coincidence. क्योंकि दीपिका और रणवीर were there with her parents and sister, while Alia and Ranbir spent time with their immediate families. Ranthambore ended up becoming the most happening tourist spot for New Year's Eve, with not just one or two, but 4 Bollywood A-list stars landing up in the forest sanctuary to bring in 2021. While people were wondering if there were any fireworks going off, considering the frosty vibes Deepika once shared with Ranbir's family, it looks the bonfires they spent time around seem to have melted away all the gilishikwe. But before you start imagining Deepveer and Albir on double dates and group holidays, let's hit the pause button क्योंकि ये इत्तेफाक बार-बार नहीं होने वाला। Alia and Ranbir spent New Year's Eve not just with each other, but their soon-to-be in-laws. And it looks like the soon-to-be Shadi-Shuda couple had a blast going on safaris and enjoying relaxing evenings with good food and great company. Ranveer and Deepika were spotted departing Mumbai and landing in Jaipur, sparking off rumors where the two power couples may be holidaying together. Or that Deepika and Ranveer had been invited to attend the Alia-Ranbir Sagai. But it turns out that it was a lot of afao ka smoke from the bonfires, क्योंकि Deepveer was soon joined by Deepika's parents and sister to bring in the new year with the couple. Pictures of Deepika and Ranveer with the Padukones clicked by other tourists went viral on social media. And it seems like though they ended up in the same location, they did not vacation with each other. Truth is, it was only when Alia and Deepika happened to bump into each other in December did they realize कि वो एक ही जगह New Year's Eve celebrate करने जा रहे हैं. In fact, according to one inside source, Deepika आज भी रणबीर के फैमिली के साथ comfortable नहीं है, क्योंकि नीतू जी never made her feel welcome when she was dating रणबीर. Sources का कहना है कि दीपिका और रणबीर अपनी अलग छुट्टी मनाने आए थे. And apart from one group picture which they took to oblige fans, the two couples didn't spend any time together. Though Ranbir, who stays away from social media, wasn't a part of Alia's pictures, the Razi star shared a short video from her Jeep during a safari and a cute photo of herself soaking in the morning sun with a cup of coffee. Alia's mother Soni Razdan shared a heartwarming picture of all the ladies from Alia and Ranbir's immediate families and captioned the photo, "Line up, best girls in the world." Ranveer had also shared a photo of the gorgeous scenery, while Deepika, who recently deleted all her earlier social media posts, has shared a new post with collage of pictures and a couple of video clips that speaks volumes about the peaceful and relaxing holiday she enjoyed with husband Ranveer and her family. Deepika has also added a note in the comment section जहां वो कहती है कि अपनी फैमिली और क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ वक्त बिताने की वजह से वो अपने आप को ग्राउंडेड रख पाई है. Encouraging her fans and followers to take a break and spend time with loved ones, Deepika ने अपने नोट में लिखा that it is those closest to her who have helped her stay connected to who she was before she became successful. Well, we hope both the couples ended up having a great holiday with no unexpected problems. Arjun Kapoor and Malaika Arora have been dating each other for quite some time now. Lekin it was only last year that the couple made things official with a social media post while they were on a vacation. Ever since then, they have never shied away from making public appearances together or expressing their love for each other through pictures and posts on social media. The two even spent the lockdown together, and in spite of their unconventional age gap, it looks like their bond is only getting stronger by the day. Arjun Kapoor is a happy man. क्योंकि उनकी लेडी लव मलाइका अरोरा इज पैम्परिंग हिम विद होममेड फूड जो वो अपने हाथों से अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए बना रही है। अर्जुन ने अक्सर मलाइका के कुकिंग की तारीफ की है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक मलाइका ऑल्सो whips up delicious meals just for her babe। लॉकडाउन के दौरान भी कई बार अर्जुन ने मलाइका के कुकिंग की तारीफ की एंड इट लुक्स लाइक मलाइका continues to cement her position in his heart and with lots of delicious food। Arjun shared a social media post with a picture of the meal Malaika had specially cooked for him. Arjun added a romantic caption with his photo and wrote, "When she cooks for you on Sunday." Malaika also shares his post and dropped several heart emojis on it to show इस dish को tasty बनाया उनके प्यार ने। The couple had earlier shared a glamorous picture of themselves together to wish their fans a happy new year. Photo में Malaika is wearing a shimmering silver pantsuit with a bikini top, while Arjun in his classic style wore a printed shirt and brown trousers, while keeping his shirt buttons open for a beach vibe. Malaika had captioned her New Year's post, "It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new year, 2021, #eternally grateful." But while the two lovebirds are cooning on social media, Malaika's bestie Kareena Kapoor Khan made sure to drop a comment on Malaika's post and wrote, "My two favorites. मेन्यू क्या है आज?" लगता है सिर्फ अर्जुन नहीं, करीना भी मलाइका के कुकिंग की फैन है and wants to be pampered with good food by her friend. Kareena and Saif spent New Year's in Mumbai with family and close friends and were spotted at multiple dinner and lunch get-togethers, including a party at their home, the Kapoor Christmas lunch, and a dinner at Saif's sister Soha's house. Kareena may have wrapped her work commitments by finishing her shoot for Lal Singh Chadda, but the actor is now busy setting up her dream home before the arrival of baby number 2. The actor shared a sneak peek of her new home via a photo she shared on social media. Photo में Kareena is seen discussing the progress of their new apartment with their designer. Here's wishing Bebo and her favorites Malaika and Arjun a very happy new year. Did Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal welcome 2021 together? The couple's pictures seem to indicate that they may have spent New Year's Eve together, with their siblings joining them in the celebrations. In fact, Katrina shared a picture where fans felt Vicky's reflection could be seen. But क्या वो Vicky थे या फिर कोई और? Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal have been dodging their relationship rumors for almost a year now. Though they have been spotted together at events, Vicky Kaushal has been seen visiting Katrina ever since the restrictions have lifted, and the two even seem to be sharing similar hoodies. The couple have remained completely tight-lipped about their rumored relationship. But that hasn't stopped fans from actually speculating endlessly about the two and even closely analyzing all their pictures to see if they can find some clues about their relationship. Katrina, who seemingly spent New Year's Eve with her sister Isabel, shared some beautiful pictures of herself and her stunning sister, wishing their fans and followers a very happy new year. Katrina captioned her post, "365 days of happiness to everyone. #2021." वहीं विकी ने अपने भाई के साथ करण अर्जुन टाइप की पोज मारते हुए एक फोटो शेयर किया and wished his fans a very happy new year. He captioned his post, "Love, light and happiness to all from the Kaushal brothers." It's almost as if the couple decided that they would pose with their siblings and steer clear of any controversies, but looks like pictures on social media might just have let the cat out of the bag. Katrina posted a social media story jahan she and some friends seemed to be playing a board game together. Katrina was wearing a cozy black hoodie and she even captioned her story "Sweater weather." But very quickly Katrina ने ये post delete कर दी क्योंकि according to fans one could see Vicky's reflection in the glass behind her. Though the reflection is not quite clear, there is definitely someone else in the room जिनके साथ Katrina game खेल रही थी, and we can't help but wish that it was Vicky. In fact, Katrina's sister Isabel only confirmed these suspicions when she shared a picture from the home they were staying in, and the background and decor that is visible seems uncannily similar to what can be seen behind Vicky and Sunny in their photo. अब क्या वो साथ थे या अलग, ये कंफर्म करके तो नहीं बताया जा सकता. But we would like to believe that the two lovebirds brought in 2021 together and also used the opportunity to bond with each other's families.
पूरे देश के सामने मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि जगह और वक्त का चयन आप कीजिए. मैं मेरे सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेकर वहाँ जरूर पहुँचूंगी.
उर्मिला मातोंडकर ने दी कंगना रनौत को चुनौती. The Rangila actress asks Kangna to choose a time and place so she can show all the legal paperwork related to the office space she has purchased. लेकिन बदले में वो चाहती है कि कंगना भी NCB को banned substance consumers की लिस्ट दे to justify her Y+ security. Kangna Ranaut and Urmila Matondkar's war of words began in September last year when Urmila expressed her displeasure over Kangna referring to Mumbai as a conflict zone in Kashmir. Kangna retaliated with very harsh words referring to Urmila, who has actually worked in several successful films in the 90s as a star who only acted in titillating cinema. Kangna's comments had created an outrage then, given Urmila's vast work experience in Bollywood. And after a brief lull, it looks like Kangna is looking to fan the fires of unpleasant name-calling and fighting again. Kangna and Urmila, both immensely talented actors, but sadly, instead of showing solidarity with each other in a male-dominated industry, the two are busy criticizing each other. Recently, Kangna shared a video created by some fans of her which mocked Urmila and also shared the screenshot of a leading entertainment portal's headline which seemed to imply कि Urmila ने एक particular political party को join करने के बाद 3 करोड़ का office space खरीदा है. Taunting Urmila and implying that she may have purchased the property using improper means, Kangna wrote in her post, "Dear Urmila Matondkar ji, मैंने जो खुद की मेहनत से घर बनाए वो भी कांग्रेस तोड़ रही है. सच में बीजेपी को खुश करके मेरे हाथ सिर्फ 25-30 केसेस ही लगे हैं. काश मैं भी आपकी तरह समझदार होती तो कांग्रेस को खुश करती. कितनी बेवकूफ हूँ मैं, नहीं?" Not one to take these accusations lying down, Urmila has now shared a video on social media defending herself and accusing Kangna instead of not sharing the list of those using banned substances, जिसकी वजह से उन्हें Y+ security मिली थी. Urmila अपने वीडियो में कहती है that though the whole nation knows what Kangna thinks of her, she would still like to clarify how she bought the property Kangna has raised doubts about. Urmila even asks Kangna to choose a time and place ताकि वो उनके सारे शक दूर कर सके और इल्जामों का जवाब दे सके.
मेरे बारे में जो आपके उच्च ख्याल है वो मैं सुन चुकी हूँ, बल्कि पूरा देश सुन चुका है. आज पूरे देश के सामने मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि जगह और वक्त का चयन आप कीजिए. मैं मेरे सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेकर वहां जरूर पहुंचूंगी।
उर्मिला goes to explain कि आखिर किस तरह और किन पैसों से उन्होंने ये नया ऑफिस स्पेस खरीदा है and make sure to remind Kangna that she has been around in Bollywood for far longer than her and joining politics has nothing to do with her purchase.
2011 में अपनी ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं बट 25-30 बरस की करियर में कड़ी मेहनत के बाद जो फ्लैट मैंने अंधेरी में खरीदा था उसके पेपर्स होंगे, जिसको मैंने मार्च के पहले हफ्ते में बेचा है उसके भी पेपर्स होंगे, और उन पैसों के अगेंस्ट जो मैंने ऑफिस अपने कड़ी मेहनत के पैसों से खरीदा है उसके भी पेपर्स होंगे। ये सारा जो मेरे फ्लैट का बाइंग था वो मेरे राजनीति के आने से कई बरस पहले का ट्रांजैक्शन था। ये मैं आपको जरूर दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
The Rangila star concludes her video by saying कि बदले में उन्हें भी कंगना से उन नामों की लिस्ट चाहिए जिसकी वजह से उन्हें Y+ सिक्योरिटी मिली है, और कंगना उर्मिला के इस मुंह तोड़ जवाब का क्या जवाब देंगी ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड cuz I'll be back in a short while. Kiara Advani is making all of us envious with her perfect tan figure जो वो flaunt कर रही है अपने नए बिकिनी पिक्स में। Kiara, who is rumored to be in the Maldives with boyfriend Siddharth Malhotra, has been enjoying the sun, sand and lounging around in hammocks all day long. Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra worked together on the film Shersha and reportedly started romancing while working on this movie. Though the two remain in denial of their obvious affection for each other, they frequently get spotted in the city as they take romantic drives together. Now taking denial to a whole new level altogether, the two are even vacationing together but refusing to let their photos reveal this. Kiara and Siddharth have shared many pictures and videos जिससे काफी obvious हो गया है that the two are holidaying together or at least staying in the same resort. From matching videos of themselves sliding into the water to pictures of them enjoying the hammocks, though separately, Kiara and Siddharth दोनों ये vacation खूब enjoy कर रहे हैं. Kiara has been sharing lots of sun-kissed swimsuit pictures from the scenic island. Her most recent photo has been raising temperatures as she posed in a grey-colored bikini with a yellow shirt. Kiara seems to be relaxing in one of the hammocks above the ocean and making sure the camera captures her perfectly toned physique. इससे पहले भी अपने वेकेशन से फोटो शेयर करते हुए कियारा पोस्ड इन अ रेड बिकिनी and a cream swimming costume. She also shared a cute boomerang where she revealed that her plans were to eat, swim, sleep and do nothing else. But while Kiara is soaking up the sun, B.O. Siddharth Malhotra is not far behind. The actor has also been actively sharing pictures of himself relaxing by the beach and also shared an enviable photo of himself looking smoking hot as he relaxes in a hammock. The actor also shared a short video of himself swimming in the ocean using a small jet ski, and he looks as happy as a fish to be in the sea. लगता है समुंदर किनारे दोनों के गुड लुक्स और भी नमकीन हो गए हैं. And we can't wait to see whether they return together or make separate airport exits to keep people guessing. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow, but reminding you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page, which has all the latest updates from the world of Bollywood round the clock. I will see you tomorrow. Until next time, it's goodbye.